Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching Technical Spark channel. Friends, this will be very short video to just let you know that from today onwards I'll be starting new series, that is Trellix Endpoint Security. So far we have covered a couple of series like Train Micro Deep Security, Trellix EPO, Trellix Drive Encryption, FRP as well as the DLP, and this will be our Endpoint Security series. And I hope you all have took the benefit of all the videos which we have uploaded on the channel. And in Trellix Endpoint Security, I'll be going to cover your platform as well as threat prevention, web control, firewall, adaptive threat prevention. Everything will be in detail, like how exactly you can download, install on the EPO server as well as on the agent machine. What are the configuration has to be done as per the best practices, and the testing of those things along with the queries and reports. Additionally, this will be, I guess, our last series on the endpoint security products, because last month I have run one poll where I have requested users to let us know which technology videos you need in the future, and I have given the couple of options where 80% plus people have voted on the share market things, because a couple of you guys are already know that I also do a share marketing things, right? So many of them are interested into those topics. So based on the public demand, I have decided that after this Trellix Endpoint Security series, I'll be starting the videos or uploading the videos on the share market, where I'm going to touch all the options which is available. It's not just like a platform, but how exactly you can do a trade with your real money. And I will be also doing the trading along with you guys, so don't worry about that. I'll also going to share my strategies, so that if you apply the same thing, then yeah, you can also be a profitable trader. So that's it. I hope you have got my message now. So that's it guys. If you are new on my channel, then please consider subscribing, and if you found this video useful, then just click on like button, okay, so that I'll get to know that okay, you all are interested to learn endpoint security as well as share market. That's it. Chalo, I'll catch you in the next endpoint security trading videos, and till then, bye bye.